Good morning to all. I hope all are keeping fine and doing well at home. Last class we started Unit 2 Roman numerals. We use Hindu Arabic numerals and ancient Romans they used Roman numerals. That means instead of the numbers, they use some alphabets to form all other numbers. How many alphabets they use to form all other numbers? They use 7 alphabets. Which are the alphabets? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. Okay. And the difference between Hindu Arabic system and Roman numeral is that in Hindu Arabic system we follow some place value system. When the numbers move from left to right, the place value increases. Okay, left to right, the place value increases. But in Roman numerals, they are not following any place value system. Instead of the place value system, they follow some rules. From that 2 rules, we have learned 2 rules already. That are repetition and a smaller number comes, that I shall explain once again that rules we have learned. And also I have told you that in Roman system, they are not using any symbols to write 0. Any symbol to write 0. Instead of the 0, they use one Latin word null. N-U-L-L. Null. Now let's see what are the rules forming Roman numerals. First one, repetition of addition. Repetition means addition. That means I, X, C and M. Among all the numbers cannot be repeated, all the letters cannot be repeated, only can repeated 4 letters. Which are the 4 letters can repeated? I, X, C and M. I means 1, X means 10, C means 100 and M means 1000. These 4 letters can repeat. How many times it can be repeated? It can be repeated only 4 times. The 4 letters can be repeated maximum not 4 times, maximum 3 times. When it repeats from one number to another, that shows addition. That shows addition. That is the first rule. For example, I shall tell you, X means 10 here. I have written that means 12. How did you get this 12? 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. These 2 numbers are repeating. That is that shows I means 2 and I means 12. Then C means 100, I means 101, 102 and 103. 103. Okay. This way, how many times it can repeat it? Maximum 3 times. Can't repeat it more than times. 3 times. Then, next one, a smaller numeral is written to the left of the numeral of greater value. If a smaller numeral is written to the left of a numeral of greater value, means subtraction. Here, X and left side. This is my right side. But in the numeral, this is the left of this numeral. Okay. Here when it becomes this left of the numeral, or when the smaller numerals come before the greater value, that I have learned, we have learned that when smaller number comes before greater value, that should be subtracted from the greater value. Here this is 10, x means 10, I means 1. That shows 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. When smaller numerals comes left of a numeral of greater value, that means subtraction. Okay, then next one, a smaller numerals. These two rules we have learned already. Next, third rule, when smaller numerals is written to the right of the numeral of greater value, that should be added. When the smaller numeral is written to the right of the greater value, that should be added. Here, xi. Or when smaller numeral comes after the great value, that should be added. Here x means 10, I means 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, this way we can do that. Next one, for writing numbers greater than 10. Next rule is that when for writing numbers greater than 10, we have to split the numbers into tens of tens and ones. We have to split the numbers into tens of tens and ones. Suppose if we want to write 30, we have to write 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is tens of tens and ones. How many ones are there in 35? 5 ones. We can write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Here 35. Suppose here 35. We can write how many tens are here? 3 tens. 3 tens plus 5. 5 ones. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So here let's see. 30. X. 5 means B. 35. This way we can write the numbers. Okay. When smaller numerals come between two greater values, that should be subtracted from the value of the greater numeral on its right. Or when two smaller numerals comes between two greater Roman numerals, it should be subtracted from the value of the larger value, immediately false. Here x, I, x. Okay. So this I comes between these two values. So after this smaller value, which number comes? Which greater value comes? That is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. So this comes 9 and x. Here 10. Now this smaller numerals comes after. So the 10 plus 9, 15, 19. Okay, 10 plus 9, 19. When smaller number comes between two greater value, that greater numerals should be subtracted from the value of the larger value immediately false after. Means after the smaller value, which greater value is there, from that greater value, smaller value should be subtracted. Okay, here now let's see that XIV. XIV. Here see X, between X and V, I comes. Between two greater value, I comes. X means 10, I means 1, V means 5. Okay. Then this I comes between these two value, two greater value. So this I should be subtracted from the greater value just after that. Just after this greater value, 5 is there. So 5 minus I. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. When we do this, we get a 4. Then here 10 and here 4, that is 14. Okay. These are the rules. Then in our book, it is given whole number, that Roman numerals 1 to 40. Roman numerals 1 to 40, it is given there. Once if you learn these rules and if you learn these numbers 1 to 10, you can easily make all other Roman numerals. Since you are in class 4, you want to learn the Roman numerals till 40. No need to learn more than that. Before 3-4 years back, it was many numbers were there, but this year only Roman numerals till 40 is there. Okay. Then exercise 2.1, that is your book work. You can do it in your book itself. First one, convert the following into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Convert the following into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Convert the following into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here, first one here it is given X, X, B, I. X, X, B, I. In question number B, X, X, I, X. Question number C, X, I, B. Question number D, X, X, V, I. Question number E, X, X, V. X, 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 I, V. X, 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 I, V. Here see, here convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here Roman numeral has given. We have to write into Hindu-Arabic numerals. So to convert Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numerals, we have to learn that rules. Okay. Here X, X, B, I. Here two numbers are repeating. That means addition. X means 10. 10 plus 10, 20. When the number comes this side, that will add. Okay. 20 plus B. B means 5. 20 plus 5, 25. Then I, that is 2. 25 plus 2, 27. Okay. X means 10. B means 5. I means 1. Then when two numbers comes together, if the number repeated, that shows addition. Here XX means 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. XIB. X means 10. I means 1. B means 5. Here see which rule is applicable here. Here two numbers, that are between two numbers. I comes between two numbers. Larger numbers. So we have to subtract this I from second greater value. Here V comes after I. No. So I 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Then X plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. Have you got? How did you get this 14? Here, I comes between two greater values. Okay. So, the smaller value we have to subtract it from the next greater value. Then after the smaller value, what comes from there, we have to subtract it. Here, B comes after. Yes, no? X comes before 10. X comes before I. So this I we have to subtract from B. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay? 5 minus 1, 4. Then the number comes after that, we have to add it. X means 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Next one, XXV. Repetition is here. X means 10, 10 plus 10, 20. Then V means 5, 20 plus 5, 25. Okay. Next one, XXIX. Repetition, X plus X, 10 plus 10, 20. Then here I comes between these two X. So X minus I or 10 minus I, that means 9. Okay. 10 minus 1 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here X plus X, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Next one, XXVI. XX means 20, V means 5, I means 1. XX 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 1, 26. When the number goes to that side, when the number moves to right side, that should be subtract. Okay, that should be added. Here see X plus X 20, 20. This 5 comes after this X. So we have to add that. 20 plus 5, 25. Then I comes there. So 26. Here also XXX. XXX IV. Here see I and V. I comes between these two numbers, that represents 4. No? How did you get this 4? That note XXX. What is that? 30. XXX 30. Here 4. How did you get this 4? Smaller number comes before. So that is 10 plus 4. 34. What is this? 34. Is it clear? Here what is the rule? Repetition, addition is there. X plus X plus X, 30. Then I and V. I comes between these two. So we have to subtract from the next bigger value. So V minus I is equal to 4. 30 plus 4, 34. Then only two problems I am going to give us homework, G and H. That you have to do yourself. That is your homework. Is it clear? Yes. Next one. Write the following in Roman numerals. Write the following in Roman numerals. Here see 25 I have written. We have learned that when the number more than 10, we have to split the number in tens and ones. Here 25. 25 means 2 tens. 2 tens means X, X. How many ones are there? 5 ones. 25 we can write X, X and V. X, X, V. Here also. Tens and ones. How many tens? 2 tens. So X, X, 6. 6 how can we write? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Here 6. 26. Then 22 how can write? X, 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 X means 20. I means 2. 22. Then 33. X, 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 30. I, 33. Then 30. X, X, X. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 29 how can we write? X, X, 20. 9 how can write? I, X. X, X, I, X, 29. Then 37. 37 is equal to X, 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 30 plus 7. 30 means 3 tens are there. So 3 tens are there. X 37. VII 37. Then question number H to L. That is your homework. H to L. That is your homework. This all works you have to do in your book. No need to do in your copy. Okay. Today we have completed our exercise 2.1, question number 1 and 2. Convert the numbers into Hindu-Arabic numerals and convert the numbers into Roman numerals. Okay. When you come to next class, please make sure to complete this work in your book and learn to write the numbers. How can we write the numbers? Learn this all rules. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.